Today we're gonna make an awesome quilt pillowcase. And you don't need to buy anything from the store. If you have the old clothes and old blankets and pillowcases, then you can make some awesome pillowcases out of it. Okay, now mga Inday, follow me. Some kind of cutter. Knife, like you could just do like that, but I don't have that thing. So I have this 3 pieces right here. And I have this source of my little girl. Just gonna do this. We don't like to waste here. Save, save, save. Okay. Like that. Okay, we're gonna show this one. Okay, we're gonna fold this and this. Okay. You can iron this one too, okay? If you have a hard time putting it together. Since na put akong English because I'm not too good. You could then get your, what is this? Get your pins. Wait a minute. Now you could use one pin like that with this and put it inside. See that? Para wala disgrasya, okay? Got it? It's like that easy. You don't need to be fancy. Doesn't need to be fancy cutting. As long as it's straight. Just make sure it's straight, okay? Pinahanglan ko ng get-tik ko tayo. Okay. Like that. Diba? So make sure po na habol ito ang that our scissor is not at all. Mine is a little bit, but it still works. I don't need to throw it away. Okay, see? It still work. One is naka-align siya, so you need to align too. So that it is a gampat ang design, no? Okay. Okay. Samok sa buhok. Oy, may pagmamungos ko. Katinita dali. We have a chimney. I'm burning right now. Chimney. And it's like, feels like Philippines here. It's 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Okay. Just need to do this. Cut it like this. Pa-horizontal. Oh, pahalang. Okay. So, put it over here. Make sure your hand is away from the scissor, okay? Tips. Next. How about just folding it? Yeah, like that. Let's see if it's the same size as the other one. We're using scratch here, so that's why we're not using a quilt we bought in the market. Okay, it's perfect. Wait a minute. So, 3 of this, 3 of the square, what is this? Cross, and then the length will be 4 of this. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it. Just gonna mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna put them together like that, or like this. Okay, so we have tricolor. Okay, tricolor. We're just gonna mix it like that. Let's see if kasya ba ang, if it fits the 3 by 4. Okay, because we're not a perfect professional sewer or what's this? Okay, just like that. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my size of this is 6.5 inches by 6.75. Okay, you can make it rectangular or triangle or perfect square. Okay, as long as it fits at the size of your pillow. Start putting it. Okay, put it on the top, and then put it like this. Okay, back, front, back. So we're now gonna sew our quilt. Okay, let's now start. Make sure our stitch is this right here, single, and make it 4. It depends on your makina. Because some machine is okay with 2, okay? And my machine is new. The other one that I have, I need to put it in 2 because the stitch will be like just a little. Then this one, I need to put it in 3 or 4. Okay, 3, I will do 4. And single stitch, okay? And later on, we're gonna use this one or this one, okay? Make sure our thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one. Can you see? Yep, just like that. And gamay lang set, a little bit of, you know, see this? Just like that. That's my 4 stitch length. My other one, my kinmore, I need to put in 2 so that it will going to have this kind of stitch length. Okay, proceed. You can make ruffles also to the sides, but this one is quilt, so I don't know. I will ask my daughter if she likes ruffles. It's hers. I love it. And okay, very important that we need to lock it, because so I measured it and it's 26 length and width is 19. Okay, and then we're gonna sew this one. Okay, go like that. Pasensya na jud, kay klaro. Like that. Okay, and then like that. Okay, so we know where we are. Okay, we're gonna sew this one right here, and sew this one right here, and then sew them together. Okay, so this one on the top, this one, and this one, and this one together. You can see it because it's quilt. You will know where's the correct side or correct one. Okay, let's do now. Let's do this. We're almost done. We got the front side. Okay. Just make sure it's aligned. This one out of line. You know. Okay, good one. Make sure they're aligned. This one's are aligned. So if it's more to the other side, it's fine. Okay. I already ironed the front side. Okay. And then I put this one on the top. Either of the two, if this one, you'll put this on the top too, and this one at the bottom, is fine. Okay, it's okay. Whatever is work with you, then it's fine. And then pin it here, there, and there. If you are worried about it's gonna move, so you're gonna pin here too, pin here, pin here, pin here. Whatever works for you. And then we're gonna sew it there, here, there. Okay, and then we're gonna zigzag from here to the end. Okay. Now something came from. Can you use with the pins? No. This is it. Our pillowcase. Quilt. Easy and made from scratch fabrics. Your old clothes and old blankets can be made again. So I like to stick my inday. So I'm gonna try it now. My thing.